Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the safest path. Colored contact lenses are the most reliable immediate option. Once decided, schedule an eye exam to get a proper prescription and fitting. This prevents complications. Make sure to buy reputable, FDA-approved lenses from an authorized seller. Avoid unregulated imports. While you wait for your lenses, gather complementary items: contact solution, a mirror, and clean hands. These steps reduce risk and get you into the practical part quickly. Once fitted, focus on color choice and technique. Try several green shades in natural and artificial light to see what complements your skin and hair. Make sure the fitter confirms base curve and diameter. Comfort depends on these measurements. Next, practice insertion and removal with a trained person or under supervision until you're confident. This reduces the chance of corneal irritation. Also, use preservative-free lubricating drops if your eyes feel dry during wear. To finish, establish a strict wear and care routine. Follow the recommended daily or replacement schedule, never sleep in non-overnight lenses, and clean with the prescribed solution. Make sure your hands are always clean when handling lenses and store them in fresh solution each night. If you experience redness, pain, discharge, or blurry vision, remove the lens immediately. That one action prevents serious harm, and contact your eye care professional without delay for evaluation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.